when I joined the CSR team of the Taj Group. And whilst I was working, I realized that I really lacked knowledge as basic as what is an input or an outcome or impact. Like, I had no idea what these terms meant.
I have been working in the field of disability for last 28 years, so had a good background of social sector, and I have been empowering professionals who want to work for children with disabilities.
Hi, my name is Jyotika Bhatia and I have done my MBA in social entrepreneurship from Narsee Monjee University. I always had a passion about helping people, looking after them or doing something for the society. And when this course was introduced, it was like dream come true. MBA management, how to manage social entrepreneurship or how to manage NGOs. And that was a perfect fit for me, and that's the reason I primarily joined the course.
Hi, I am Alok, co-founder of Renovate India. He is a Prathamesh, co-founder of Renovate India, and he is in the third year of social entrepreneurship. She is a Snehal, project manager of Renovate India. She is pursuing MBA in social entrepreneurship in the second year.
So hi, my name is Suraj, and I have been running an organization called Oscar Foundation.
I was attending the United Nations Global Compact meeting when I came across Dr. Galiara at the meeting, and she was giving a presentation on the part-time MBA course in social entrepreneurship, and I was like, 1 minute, this is a part-time course, and from whatever she told me, it just sounded really exciting, whatever she told the audience.
So giving guidance to directly the persons with disabilities or youngsters who want to have startups for people with disabilities. I thought I didn't have the sufficient knowledge and skill sets of entrepreneurship skills, and so I wouldn't say the fag end of career, but in an advanced stage of my career, I decided that I should take up this course.
MSW करने के बाद मैंने मुंबई में अलग अलग NGOs में काम किया। अभी काम करते वक्त लगा कि मैं खुद का भी कुछ शुरू करना चाहता हूँ, कर सकता हूँ। तभी मैंने MBA सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कोर्स के लिए NMIS में एडमिशन लिया, और एडमिशन लेने के बाद 3 साल में मैंने अपनी खुद की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन शुरू की।
और मुझे लगता है कि मैं ऐसे एक कोर्स की तलाश में था जो मैं जॉब के साथ कर सकूं, और सोशल सेक्टर में भी मुझे लगता है कि ऐसे पर्सपेक्टिव की ज़रूरत है कि हमें सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस कैसे मैनेजरियल स्किल सेट के साथ चलानी है, तो ये पर्सपेक्टिव मुझे ये कोर्स में मिला।
So the best part of the course is the people you meet, your professors, the curriculum, the coursework is amazing.
So the course helped me on the various aspects of how I can build a model, enterprise out of it, and not just keep it as an idea. So when I say different aspects, mean they taught me how to have the management aspect, how to build a team for it, how to have the operational model, the marketing model, the governance system, entirely all the different aspects that we are required to study and know about for running an organization were taught at NMIS, and that's how I built the entire business plan.
I found MIS and the strategy management one of the very important and very helpful subject for me to implement in my operations.
Social engineering, which was taken by Professor Meena Galiara, it gave me a very different perspective of what's the spectrum which is available in the society, and that is putting across innovative thought, mobilizing the society's attitude and the society's passion for a cause, and taking this cause ahead, and then managing a social enterprise. How do you manage it, and how do you sustain it? How do you make it more transparent?
How to make an organization sustainable, which I think very few courses teach you that. So most of the NGOs have a traditional view of a fund-driven organization depending on donations, grants, stuff like that. This particular course will teach you of how to become sustainable. So how to have your income sources even if you are a charitable organization.
So the part of the course that benefited me the most was the class on sustainability. sustainability and CSR, because I am working in the field of sustainability, and I felt that program just helped me understand why I'm doing what I'm doing in my job, and it gave me a holistic understanding. It helped me understand the history, the purpose of why we do what we do.
How to communicate to people about your ideas, how to put down letters for funding, how to prepare a proposal. So we had a lot of skill development activities for actually public speaking, also for documentation, writing, how to build up teams, how to sustain these teams so that people just don't go out of your enterprise.
फाइनल ईयर में जब हमें बिजनेस प्लान एक सब्जेक्ट था, तो वहाँ पर हमें बिजनेस प्लान डेवलप करना था, तो उसका बेनिफिट मेरे रिनोवेट के लिए बहुत अच्छी तरह से हुआ कि बिजनेस प्लान डेवलप करते 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 वो आइडिया हमने आज इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया.
It has been 5 years now since we have started this organization, and our greatest achievement is that we have reached out to 5,000 underprivileged women across 8 cities in India. And NMIMS was always there to support us throughout the cause. In fact, we got our first donor from NMIMS. We participated in an exhibition which is organized by Social Responsibility Forum at NMIMS, and there we met a person from ONGC which selected us and thereafter funded us.
I would definitely recommend this course to anybody and everybody who has a dream, a social dream to pursue.
Why I would recommend this course is it has been a turning point in my life. My entire journey has changed because of the course and the learnings that I got from the course.
Course has changed everything for me. Not only have I gained knowledge, I have grown as an individual. To have that support, to have that network is really amazing. So I recommend this course and I recommend this field to everybody. Even those who are not in the sector, I say it's good to go into because of the dynamics and the dynamism of the course. It is, this